Two teams this week tighten control before they try to scale. That is the simple thread I want to start with. I'm Korolev. This is your AI brief for June 19th, 2026. Let's get into it. Today, two stories show it clearly. One is Arizi, the observability company, and its PXI engineering agent inside Phoenix. The other is Grab, the ride-hailing and delivery company with its secure agent platform. On the agent side, Arizi's PXI write-up is the cleaner example of production work first. It uses telemetry, prompts, docs, and traces to debug apps without context pasting. That matters because the useful agent is starting to look like a control loop around real data, not a clever prompt in a vacuum. Meanwhile, Grab's Polana post shows the same instinct from the other direction. It isolates each agent in Kubernetes with proxy credentials, egress control, and logs. The point is simple. If an agent can act, it also needs clear boundaries and a record of what it did. Both stories stay practical. One tightens the loop around engineering work, and the other tightens the box around agent actions. On the PXI side, Ariz is putting the agent inside Phoenix, not beside it. That changes the job. The agent is not chasing screenshots or pasted notes. It starts from telemetry, prompts, docs, and traces already in the system. That matters because debugging gets less ad hoc. You can ask for help using the evidence the app already produced. Arizi is using PXI as an engineering agent for that workflow. It looks at production context, then helps diagnose issues and suggest improvements. The practical win is traceability. If the agent works from real traces, you can inspect what informed its answer. That is a different shape from prompt tinkering. It turns agent use into a repeatable loop around actual runtime data. For team shipping systems, that is the useful part. The agent is closer to observability than to a chat toy. Meanwhile, the access stories show the same instinct from another angle. Teams are narrowing what agents can touch before they let them roam. The Grab post is a good example. Grab, the ride-hailing and delivery company, built Polana as a secure platform for autonomous agents. The pattern is plain. If an agent can act, it needs a tight box. Grab isolates each agent in Kubernetes with proxy credentials, egress control, and logs. That gives them containment and an audit trail. It also keeps the control point in the platform, not scattered across prompts and scripts. The same shape shows up in the MCP authorization post. It moves access through the identity provider instead of handing every connector its own loose trust path. That matters because onboarding gets easier without giving up policy. Enterprises get central approval, and operators get a cleaner record of who can do what. DryDoc takes the idea one step further. DryDoc, the VM sandbox project for coding agents, runs each task inside a separate macOS virtual machine. The point is simple. Keep keys off the host, shrink the blast radius, and make the dangerous part temporary. Taken together, these posts read like a hardening pass. Useful agent systems seem to be getting wrapped in runtime boundaries, not left to improvisation. That's your brief. Links and full analysis in the newsletter. See you tomorrow.